Today, I want to chat to you about our solutions for team training. Our training portals put you in control of your training project, and this means that you can focus on helping your team to make improvements in their roles now and in the future. Let's see how this can work for our customers.
We'd identified that we had a large team who all needed the same foundation level training. We had the usual difficulties in terms of budget constraints and logistical issues, but ITSM Zone were able to help us overcome them. Using an e-learning provider meant that the costs were considerably less than if we had used a classroom provider, and we didn't have people out of the office for days at a time. Working with ITSM Zone was really easy and simple. Our account manager really understood what we needed and checked in regularly to make sure that all was running smoothly.
Our team are spread across different locations, so having one training provider didn't initially seem like an option. When we used various different training companies previously, we found that the quality of training varied enormously, depending on the location or on the trainer assigned to teach the class. Working with ITSM Zone meant that we could provide the exact same training to our employees regardless of where they are. We found that the courses were great quality, the content was broken down into easy-to-follow sections, and the downloads and resources were a fantastic addition. It didn't matter how much previous knowledge someone had, as the courses were all self-paced. Some of the newer members of the team went over the materials a few times to make sure that they really understood, and even those with more experience felt like they had learned something new.
We used a custom portal from ITSM Zone to deliver the training. It meant that when our students were logging into their training accounts, they saw a message from our director that reminded them how important the training was to the success of the organization. They received emails and reminders through the training period so no one forgot that they had to get the work done. We organized a quiet room where staff could take an hour or so to study each day, though many of the team were happy to work through the course on their mobiles during their daily commute.
We decided to use a training portal as it meant that we were able to add people to the training at the best time for them and us. There was no waiting around because courses weren't running. They were able to start learning and applying their new knowledge on our timescale. The reporting options meant that we could keep a close eye on progress. We had the report set so that each department manager could receive an update every week on how their team was doing. The support from the ITSM Zone team was fantastic. The help desk was quick to respond no matter what time of day or night, and the tutors were really knowledgeable.
Several of our team also made use of the mentor session that was included with the training. This was a great opportunity to discuss how to put the learning into practice and to talk about the next steps. They came back full of new ideas and enthusiasm after these sessions. We had a really successful outcome to the training, not the least in terms of exam results. Again, ITSM Zone helped our team to book and schedule their online exam sessions. Most decided to take the exam from the office, but a few did it at home. The feedback that we had on this was very positive. They seemed to be quite relaxed as they were sitting the exam in familiar, comfortable surroundings.
If you have a team to train, then I highly recommend ITSM Zone. The customer service is excellent, and the training was exactly what we needed. And the fact that we could download and keep the course documents means the team keep referring to the materials and constantly refreshing their learning. In these difficult economic times, the team training discount that ITSM Zone offered meant that we were able to extend the training to all of the team. Without this, we would have been limited on the numbers that could be trained. I can't stress enough how invaluable it is having everyone with the same understanding and talking the same language on the team.
So, if you're looking for training for your team, then why not get in touch with us? We work hard to make it as easy for you as possible. The training portals mean that all your training is on demand. The reporting capability means that you are in control and aware of what's happening every step of the way. There's added benefits such as group discounts, extended training durations, and a dedicated account manager. So if you want to find out more, get in touch today.